3S Lift Material Hoist as an original solution is dedicated to material lifting, which is designed adhering to the consistent criterion of a safe, simple, and specialized to transport a wide variety of goods onto the roof. It can be applied in building construction and maintenance, roof photovoltaic installation, logistic handling, and other scenarios. To meet a wide range of customer needs, currently we provide 3 different models. Most of the configurations are customizable according to individual requirements. To apply to various scenarios, there are multiple types of lifting boxes available, like the solar panel lifting platform with splint that specialized in transportation of PV board, doors, windows, or other board-type materials. The guide rail is assembled of high-strength aluminum alloy rail section. It can be installed without tools. The rail adopts a pluggable structure for rapid assembly and disassembly, and is expandable to a maximum lifting height of up to 19 meters. When the length exceeds 11 meters, a support rod is required to eliminate the influence of the guide rail deformation. Thanks to its small volume and light weight, the material hoist can fit into a small van, which significantly increases work efficiency. It is our aim to ensure safety and efficiency for those people working at height. The designated protective measures of the equipment are sufficient to deal with various risks during operation. Safety catch mechanism, for example, it enables the load-carrying device to lock firmly on the guide rail in the case that the wire rope should break. Also, the overload detection system and power-off manual descent function further ensure the safety of the goods. Even the weakest part of the equipment meets the ingress protection level of IP54, which guarantees its performance in harsh working environments. The design and production of 3SS products strictly comply with relevant laws and regulations, conforming to Chinese national standards, and have obtained European CE and American ETL certification. The products and services of 3S have been applied in 55 countries around the world. In addition to the HQ, R&D centers and factory located in China, we also have wholly owned subsidiaries in Germany, India, and the US to reach the local market and provide timely and effective supports. We sincerely hope that 3SS products could really help those respectable hard-working people struggling at high altitude. May our effort achieve your cause.